If you're thinking about signing up for Copy.AI, you're going to want to watch this video. I've been testing out this tool for a few weeks now, and in this video, I'll tell you absolutely everything you need to know about Copy.AI before signing up. Quick spoiler, Copy.AI is not a perfect AI content creation tool. However, I've chosen to continue using it myself rather than using another tool, and I'll tell you exactly why that is throughout this video. Now, if at any point while watching this video, you decide you want to try Copy.AI, you'll save quite a bit of money if you click the link in the description before you create your account. Definitely take advantage of that link. It saved me a lot of money when I signed up. So let's not waste any more time. Here is everything you need to know about Copy.AI. First off, Copy.AI is an AI tool that was designed to generate a wide array of content quickly and efficiently. Whether you need copy for blogs, social media posts, email, digital ads, or website content, Copy.AI has you covered. As the owner of a digital marketing company, I write an enormous amount of website content. In testing Copy.AI, I found it to be an impressive tool. It's streamlined my work, improving my productivity immensely. It's allowed me to craft compelling copy for various campaigns, social media posts, and even optimized my blog posts, all within mere moments. But more importantly, the quality of content it delivers is unparalleled. That said, the one thing I didn't like is the price. It was a bit high, but I was able to find a special bonus link that gave me a pretty hefty discount. And here's the good news. I've saved you all the trouble and put that very link in the description of this video. It will save you quite a bit of money. Despite the price, I found the tool absolutely worth the investment. I've made my money back in no time with the efficiency and quality it brings to my team. Do me a favor, if you made it this far, please drop a like on this video. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and I'll answer every single one of them.